Engineers do not know how to talk to customers and should just focus on talking to machines and leave the product designs to UX professionals. UX people gave us unrealistic requirements that did not consider the effort from the engineering side. What's on their mind anyway? Engineers vetoed the ideas that we discovered through a lengthy research and customer interview process. UX people wasted a lot of time and their work often affected the flow and the customer cycle time. UX people are not agile and not customer focused. We cannot complete a good design and do the UX process properly in a sprint. Sprints are not for UX work. Good design is subjective and nice to have. Fast, robust, and stable product is a must-have for customers. Engineers are never involved in the product discovery process. Good designs solve customer pain points. But the UX professionals never involve the engineers for the product discovery process. Because product discovery is not for software engineering. Product discovery is not only about designs. We engineers also need to discover the product architecture that is stable and reliable. Designers are not developers. Just leave us alone and don't drag us into your nonsensical Scrum stuff. Designers also develop the product. So, designers are developers. We want to have our own design sprint so we can start one sprint earlier before the engineers so we can focus on preparing the backlog for the engineers. Engineers are not feature factories who just receive backlogs from the UX people. You engineers do not know anything about user experience. You UX people don't know anything about software engineering. Hey, what's good, awesome people? Have you ever experienced or seen UX people and engineers had conversations just like what you saw in the previous scene at your workplace? Isn't it ironic to see UX people and engineers try to separate themselves from each other, putting walls in between them, too religious with their own processes when they actually develop the same product for the same customer? So why would UX people run a design sprint earlier for creating backlogs to be thrown over the fence for the engineers? Why can't UX and engineers get along with each other and work in the same sprint since they work towards the same product goal anyway? For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Joshua Partogi. I'm one of the professional Scrum trainers through Scrum.org. I'm based in Perth, Western Australia, down under. If you think that UX and engineers working in a separate sprint feels wrong and you want to learn the techniques on how to have UX and engineers collaborate in the same sprint, then I invite you to my virtual professional Scrum with UX that I facilitate regularly. This is a very good course for UX professionals, software engineers, and also Scrum Masters. This course will run for 4 hours per day over the course of 3 consecutive days. We will be using Zoom and Miro to collaborate with other participants over a case study of a company that's struggling to be competitive in the automotive industry. This course has been attended by participants not only from Australia, New Zealand, and Southeast Asia, but we also had participants from Europe and North America join us too. If you're interested to join us for this training, go check out the schedules on my website agilitypath.com.au/courses. Looking forward to learning with you in my virtual professional Scrum with UX course.